Hi everyone, happy Valentine's Day. It's Paula, and I wanted to do an eyebrow hack today to show you how easy it is to do your brows. But first I wanted to share with you, I've already done my Saint makeup, and the colors that I'm using on my lips, my cheeks, and my eyes. I love these colors. Pink grapefruit and scarlet. And I mix them together to give that magenta color that's so popular right now. So what I use on my brows, it's a kit. It's called the Brow Trio Kit. And what I love about this, it stencils and it makes it so easy to do your brows in like 2 minutes. I've already put one on, you can see. So this is the stencil. And the color. And I like to use an angled brush because then I can control the amount of color that I apply. And you're just gonna put it here. I already know where to apply it because I've done it so many times. And I always start in the corner because that's where I want the darkest part to be on my eyebrows. And then you just follow along the stencil. Take it off. And then I like to go in and do a little bit more detail just to make sure that I've got the right measurement for it. And you always want to look the corner of your eye to make sure you're starting the brow in the right area. And as we mature, we want to make sure that we're not bringing the tip all the way down because it drags the eye down. You just want to create a little tail and bring that arch up. And that's it. So easy. So go out and have a wonderful day. I hope you have much, much love in your life, not only today, but every day. Talk to you soon. Bye.